Hi everyone, this is Rhea again, and this week's lesson for 3rd grade is camouflage, and we will tie this in with important concepts like natural selection and predator-prey relationships, and it's a pretty fun lesson, so let's get started. Okay, so just kind of an overview of the lesson. Like I said before, the students will be learning about camouflage, natural selection, predator-prey relationships, all that fun stuff, and they'll be making little camouflage butterflies as you can see in these pictures. So, just so you know, there's a couple of really good PowerPoints in the drive, so definitely look at those if you need some extra help or just for some inspiration. Um, okay, so it would be good for you to begin your lesson talking about predator-prey relationships. There's some really helpful engagement questions in the file in the folder, and yeah, from there you can start to introduce camouflage. And with this, I would definitely include pictures. It's really helpful for students to visualize different animals camouflaging. And also for this lesson, vocab is really important. It could be the first time a lot of students have heard some of these words or not, but I think it's still really important to go over vocab. Okay. So another tip that I have is to encourage creativity when they're doing their butterflies. So when they get their butterflies, you'll give them the instructions to pick a spot in the classroom and try and camouflage their butterfly there. And um, some students tend to just do like one color, but it makes it extra fun if they become creative. Like as you can see in these pictures over here, these are some of the more creative ones, like on the American flag and the other one. Yeah, that is something I would do. Okay, so moving on to the game part of it. So once they have colored in their butterfly how they would like, you can give them some tape and they can hang it up in the classroom. And the way that I did it is we kind of made it into a game. So I told them to go secretly hang it up in the classroom. Um, and then once everybody was done, we went table by table and they got to have a minute or so to just walk around the classroom and see how many they could find. And after that, we kind of got back together and talked about which butterflies were easy to find, which were hard to find, and kind of why. And we ended up doing our observations and conclusions after that. So, yeah, that's about it for this lesson. It's pretty straightforward. Yeah, so that is week 4 and camouflage.